learners. So, welcome again to the course on Science Communication, Research Productivity and Data Analytics using open source software. Today, we will learn about health science database PubMed, how we can extract the data from PubMed and how we can do the search in PubMed. So, one can reach to PubMed using login pubmed.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov. PubMed is a platform that indexes journal articles and more than back to 1947. It covers the areas of medicine, nursing, dentistry, veterinary medicine, healthcare system, preclinical sciences and related areas. PubMed is developed and maintained by National Library of Medicine (NLM) and National Centre for Biotechnology Information (NCBI), both at National Institute of Health (NIH) in Bethesda, MD. As of December 2020, PubMed contains over 36 million records. PubMed is a platform that contains Medline, PubMed Central, and additional PubMed records. So one can sign in PubMed using ERA Common, Google account, ORCID, login.gov, Microsoft, NIH account. For document searching, if you write a keyword, it can give you the relative keywords. Like for example, here we are writing heart and it is giving you the relative keywords like heart failure, heart disease, heart rate, congenital heart. So we will search using heart keyword heart disease. One can save, email the records. So we have different kind of NCBI filters, like you can refine document according to abstract, full text, free full text and all, article attribute like associated data, article types like books and document, clinical trials, meta-analysis, randomized control trials, reviews, systematic review, and according to publication date 1 year, 5 year, 10 year, you can add custom range. And in addition to these filters, we can have filters according to species, article language, sex, age, others. For example, here we have got first article as heart disease in children's for searching keyword heart disease. So in title you have citation information, then PMID number. PMID means PubMed ID, and you can cite and share. Articles in PubMed have permalink which you can share on Twitter, Facebook, and for citing it has citation style AMA, APA, MLA, and LM. You can also email the records. So in document result page, you can see the first a document. On the top of document it has the citation information. It will tell you what kind of article it is, review or article, research type, author's name, DOI, abstract, keywords, similar articles at the bottom. And on the right hand side you can share the article using permalink, abstract, mesh terms, all are there. How to cite the article and where the article is available. After this document result, we are moving to how we can save the results or how we can export the results in PubMed. So you can select for saving the result. You can have all the results on this page, all results, or the selected results. For all results you can have citation can be exported or saved. For first 10,000 citation can be saved in your file. and you can create summary, PubMed ID, abstract text or CSV file. You can export the CSV file. And how a CSV file looks like. So it has PM ID, PubMed ID, title, author, citation information, the name of the book or journal, year, date, PMC ID, DOI, etc. So there are various search tags used in PubMed for building a query. So these are listed in this slide, and how to use these tags in basic and advanced search or query building we will see in our next slide. Mm, Using the search builder. So in PubMed Advanced Search Builder, you can search according to different fields. See, for example, I want to search according to date of publication. So in this example, we are taking 2020 January, 1st January 2020 to 22 January 23 with the key term, and we are adding the key term with and. So now our query is COVID-19 and the date of publication is 1st January 2020 to 22 January 2023, and you can see that in history search details are coming, and we have retrieved 3,34,294 articles. So for you can use date of publication or publication date as tag DP, and always use square brackets while using search tags. So we can use boolean operators for this COVID-19 and the date of publication. So if you see the results, all the results pertaining to March 2020 are there, and you can even combine date range by putting colon first date to the present. See, for example, 2020 to 2021, we can combine both the dates of publication using colon. See, in first result we have August 2020 and in another March 2021. We can build the query using date of publication as search tag, and we can also truncate the search term. Truncation means using of wildcard asterisk. So breastfeed can be breastfeeding, breastfeed. So in this example we are using title and abstract search tag with date of publication. So in either in title or in abstract you will find breastfeeding, and that the date of publication is 2020. Okay, January 1st 2020. So here you see in e-publication it is 2020, but June 12, see this is e-publication. Okay, in another it's 2020 first January. So you can see in both breastfeeding is in abstract. Now we come to use of boolean operators. Boolean operator and or not can be used using parenthesis to nest the concept and can be processed as a unit. So you can put in bracket lead poison and humans, or lead poison you can put in the bracket and humans even. Okay, so that lead poison will be processed as only a concept. So in PubMed, search is always done from left to right when we are using boolean operators. So see, in first result lead poison and humans are there. So in this we have got lead poisoning, and in another lead poisoning in children and adult, lead poisoning in US children. And when we are writing lead poison, not humans, so we are getting just lead poison. Okay. And if we are writing lead poison or humans, then we are getting either lead poison or humans. So we are here getting lead. And in PubMed, proximity search can be used by writing search terms in double quotes, then search tag field, then the number of term. N stand for number of term. So for example, I am right here, I have given COVID-19 virus in double quotes, then title tilt 2 in bracket. Okay, and in another slide I have given title abstract tilt 2. So see, in both COVID-19 virus, in title or in title abstract, in both, COVID-19 virus has only two letters gap, two words gap, two letters gap. Okay, here in abstract, in this title, here in another slide, title or abstract. Okay, quote is Fred not found. If you want to search all terms together without having any distance, then put n as 0. Okay, if you don't want to have any separation in terms, then put 0. Like cognitive impairment in multiple sclerosis, so here I have put TIB, means title abstract search tilt 0, so that this keyword comes together without having any words. So now we move to demo section of PubMed, so that you will understand how we can conduct the search in PubMed. First we see how we can log in. I have already told you that you can create a account in PubMed using these, any of these, and I am using ORCID. So now we can do our search. So I have already told you that if you just start writing small keyword, then the PubMed give you the relative keywords, and I am searching heart disease. So here are your results. You can filter these results and can even email the results or send to my clipboard, my bibliography collection citation managers. So I am telling you how you can export the information. So all results, I have already told you that only 10,000 results can be exported at a time. I'm selecting CSV file, or you can even select few results on this page I am selecting, see I am selecting 5 results, first 5 results, and want to export these, select 5 selection CSV file. So see, this is the data, PMID, title, author, citation information, first author, then journal or book, publication, create date, PMC ID, NIH, MS ID, DOI. This all we have got in CSV file, and you can even build advanced query by clicking on advanced in (2023/1/23). Okay. Now you can conduct the search. So all articles which are published from 1st January 2020 to 23rd January 2023 are there on COVID-19. Okay. This is for query building. We have built the query using advanced search feature. But if we don't want to build query using advanced search, we can do the conduct the simple basic search by just writing the date of publication and connecting them using Boolean operators. And for search tag, you have to put the tag in square brackets. So I am writing date of publication or publication date as DP, and now conducting the search. So all articles published during 1st January 2020 are there. You can see on COVID-19, and you can even combine this using double colon. This kind of query we have earlier built using advanced search. For date range, you can combine the query date of publication or date range from past to present using colons, and you can do you can conduct Boolean search by nesting them. So influenza or birds. So you can see either the influenza term is coming or birds are coming. Okay. Or you can in this influenza is coming, no birds is there. If we are putting note, uh, for and also you can do. So you can nest the terms, and for proximity operator you can also, for putting this all this, now we are putting hmm. So avian influenza. So for proximity operators you can see in title avian influenza virus. Okay, can have gap of two words, and you can also write abstract here if you want to search. Avian influenza virus इसमें proximity, in this avian influenza viruses, so you can see. And if you do influenza A virus, some letter gap is there in avian influenza, and in between the name of that virus is there and then virus. Okay, if you don't want any gap you can put 0. So no gap is there in avian influenza virus in all the search. In all titles are there is no gap. So thank you. This is from my side. You can write to us on discussion forum for your queries. Thank you.